face! Ants are getting my face!
It's the disturbing video of a mom in police custody as she's bitten by hundreds of fire ants. Today we're seeing new video just released by police that they say gives a fuller explanation of how things went so wrong. It began when Mom Taylor Rogers made an illegal turn onto the school grounds to drop off her son. She's stopped by the Santa Fe, Texas Chief of Police, Ruben Espinoza.
There's no left turns, ma'am. They don't even allow walk-ups up front.
I know, that's what I was doing, sir, going this way.
She drives off, but moments later, Chief Espinoza learns that she's driving in reverse at the drop-off area.
She was in reverse heading towards a school where there's children walking into the school. I had no choice but to use my vehicle to stop her vehicle.
Y'all are scaring me!
He takes her down, and that's when she literally comes face to face with the fire ants.
Ants are on my face! Ants are getting my face!
Photos show the extent of the painful bites. How did you all not hear her say that these ants were attacking her?
You can clearly hear on my body camera video me telling officers to pick her up and put her inside the patrol car.
He says they reacted quickly when she yelled that she was being bitten.
By the time she made the initial complaint of the ant bite, it was approximately 13 seconds where I informed the officers to pick her up and put her in the patrol car. So at that time when they tried, she became non-compliant again and they had to restrain her again. She would have been lifted up off the ground much sooner if she would have just complied with instructions.
I also spoke to Taylor Rogers' lawyer, Randall Callanan. There's a lot of things on the videos that the police have now released, the extended video, that show that your client was less than cooperative.
We're not saying that they didn't have a reason to stop her, but once again, there was no reason to put her into the fire ants.
Ants are on my face!